Let's learn TypeScript with React. Hey guys, I am Nishant and welcome to Cybernatico. So now we will learn TypeScript. We will have a playlist where we will have several videos, each covering one and every part. So let me open one TypeScript tutorial page to get reference tutorial in React. So let me open this. You can watch the video as well here. Fine. So let me open the TS docs from what is this create React tab. Okay, it opens this. We don't need this. We need TS docs like this, but we will not using this to create our TypeScript app. We will use Vite, which is a this next generation front-end tooling. So click getting started or get started. Now we have to create our app using the command npm create vite@latest. But before that, let me explain to you why we need to use TypeScript. So I had one other article here. Wait, let me open that TypeScript tutorial, which explained why we need to use it. Because TypeScript is a type language. I mean type JavaScript language. TypeScript adds types to JavaScript to help you speed up development by catching errors or warnings before you run the code. If it is an open source by Microsoft, which has been built on top of JavaScript and all of these, you will learn why TypeScript offers you a lot of benefits over vanilla JavaScript. But we need this section 1. In this video, we will cover the getting started portion. What is TypeScript first? Open this. I will leave the link to this doc in the description. It says TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. It builds on top of JavaScript because first we write the TypeScript code, then we compile the code into plain JS or JavaScript using a TS compiler. So first we write the code in TypeScript, then the compiler from TypeScript compiles the code to convert it in JavaScript. And it is, you can read this here. So see this chart. JavaScript this is, and this one is called TypeScript. Everything JavaScript can do, TypeScript can do as well. But everything TypeScript can do, JavaScript cannot. The main goals of TypeScript are to introduce optional types to JavaScript. And this, implement planned features of future JavaScript, also known as ECMAScript next or ESNext to the current JavaScript. So the first example is this. It improves your productivity while helping avoid bugs. So in TypeScript, you will catch bugs even before you have chance of compiling the code. It will throw a warning. So for example, let's say we are adding two numbers here, x and y, like this. So they can be string or number. If they are a number, they will add, like if we add 4 and 5, it will be 9. But if they are strings, they will concatenate. But in TypeScript, we use this. We define types like this. So if you are adding number here in both the params and you are passing strings, it will throw a warning. So we will try that later. And I think that's all we need for now. The common knowledge. Now let me create the app using npm create vite@latest. This one is just the beginning. We'll get more. So let me add the project name called TypeScript tutorial with React. I love React. So choose React here, choose TypeScript, and it will be done. It's done. Now let me open the folder and install the node modules here, which is not here in the package.json. So we have to install React and React DOM, the dependencies. So let me install them using npm I. So you will see the files like waitconfig.ts, it means this file is present only in TypeScript. Fine. Now we also have public folder, gitignore, index.html, and this too. This tsconfig.json file is the configuration file for TypeScript. Fine. So in the source folder, you will see tsx, not jsx. It means the project is TypeScript project, not a JavaScript project. Now to run this, we need to do npm run dev. Fine. Okay. Now let me head over to this. So now let me show you why do we need to use TypeScript. So we have done the setup, and you need Node.js, the compiler that comes from this that comes defaultly in the project if you create from Vite, and VS Code or any editor. Fine, these things I have, and you can also get it. So we don't need this. Fine. So let me open this file called app.tsx. In here you will see the same code we see. So let me zoom out it a little bit. We can remove all the code here that we don't need now. Fine. So let me show you why do we need to use TypeScript to avoid errors and warnings. Let me add a button here that will be called add 5 and 6. You will have the button here. Now let me create one function, add nums, which will receive two numbers as params. So we will pass it from here as arguments, like this. So let me pass 5, 6. See, we are passing numbers. So let me receive it here, num1, num2. Yes. So see, we will, if we hover the num1 and num2 params, we will see that it has been declared, but the value is never read. So that's a warning that we get in TypeScript, but not in JavaScript. So let me console.log this, num1 plus num2. Save this. Still the warning is here, and it's saying that parameter num1 has any type. Wait, yes, so we have to define the type. So we can add a number type because we are adding numbers here, and as soon as you add number, the warning will disappear. We don't need the state here. Remove this and all of these here. Fine. So we have num1 and num2 as numbers. Now click the button and open the console. Let's see what we get. You will get 11 because it's adding numbers here. So let's say for now, let me remove the number types. And if we click it again, we will get the same output because they are just warnings, not errors. The code will still run, but the thing is, you will know why we have the error. Fine. If we add strings here, like string 5 and 6, it will add them. And I mean concatenate them. It will be 56. But if we add a number type here and here as well, the error will be here where we are passing the arguments like this. So it says argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. The same here. I mean not here but here, because the problem is we are passing string but we are receiving number. The code will still run, but we will get the error here. I mean the warning here, like this. So to resolve this, just make this as a string. Now the error will be here in the second argument. Here also we have to make a string like this. Now we will not get an error. If we change this to number, the error will be reversed. I mean, we will get this. Argument of type number is not assignable to parameter of type string. Fine. So we have to make number here. This is the one thing TypeScript can do among many other incredible things that I will show you in the playlist sooner or later. So bear with me. This is just the first video of the entire TypeScript series. So you can read the docs here and see how it works. And that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a like at the video and hit subscribe button.